Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Moto phone, Model E13. For this, we need a brush with flexible bristles. Make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. We also need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so that it first softens the dirt for us and then evaporates, leaving no trace behind. You can buy this brush and a diffuser like this as a set on Allegro or Amazon, and if not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft and open, otherwise you'll scratch it. Your phone. The phone must be turned off. Never clean it while it's on. Sprinkle a bit more alcohol on it thoroughly. Hold the phone sideways so you have a good grip because the speaker is located here between the screen and the frame. There's a small hole right here. Take the brush and move it steadily in one direction. Clean it like this. 15 strokes in one direction. And 15 strokes in the other direction. It's good to repeat each side 2 to 3 times so the speaker gets thoroughly cleaned. So about 45 to 60 strokes in each direction, and then the speaker will definitely be perfectly cleaned. And it will work like new for you. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. Then you can turn the phone on and use it as usual. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.